To get the most out of Awardwallet balance update, it is essential to understand how the system works and how to navigate its features. First, sign in to your Awardwallet account and click on the Balances tab to view all your loyalty programs in one place. Next, link all your loyalty accounts to Awardwallet to track your balances and expiration dates. This includes frequent flyer miles, hotel points, and credit card rewards. Awardwallet supports over 700 loyalty programs, making it a one-stop shop for all your loyalty tracking needs. To update your balances, simply click on the Update Balances button and Awardwallet will automatically fetch the latest information from your linked accounts. You can also set up automatic balance updates to run at regular intervals, ensuring your information is always up to date. Awardwallet also provides alerts and notifications when your points are about to expire, helping you to use them before they disappear. Additionally, the service offers a tracking feature that monitors your account balances and sends notifications when there are any changes. To make the most of Awardwallet, it is crucial to keep your account information up to date. This includes ensuring your login credentials are current and your account links are active. By following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of Awardwallet balance update and make the most of your loyalty programs. Awardwallet also offers a range of tools and features to help you manage your loyalty accounts, including balance tracking, expiration alerts, and account monitoring. By taking advantage of these features, you can simplify your loyalty program management and make the most of your rewards. Overall, using Awardwallet balance update is a straightforward process that can help you to track your loyalty program balances and make the most of your rewards. By following these steps and tips, you can get the most out of the service and enjoy the benefits of streamlined loyalty program management.